In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this SONY device. First of all, just find calendar app and tap on it. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner, choose Got It, and tap on the month above. Finally, pick a date by clicking on it, and then select this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here you need to select event and then adjust it however you want to. Over here you can add a title, pick starting hour, ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always tap on the switcher next to all day as well to disable this feature, and then tap again if you wish to enable it. Now tap on this not repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just tap on this not repeat. Over here, add people, add videos, add location, choose while using the app or only this time, then type in an address and click on the correct result. Now you need to set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before. Click notes over here. And if you wish to, you can also change color. Now tap on save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to edit it, tap on it, click on this pen icon at the top right corner, and make your changes. Then discard them by choosing this X icon at the top left corner, or save them by tapping on save at the top right one. If you wish to delete your event though, just click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, select delete option, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!